You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. Yes, I know many people get confused by it. If you're confused by a lot of vocabulary and you want to learn more, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you on this channel. One single correct pronunciation in English. British English and American English pronunciations are similar, so it's easy. Let's break it down. Access. All right, 2 syllables. Ac, not ek, not a. Access. Stress on the first syllable. Access. It's easy once you know access. Remember access, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.